In this pencast, we're going to be learning about using the counting principle to compute combinations and permutations. So this problem says there are 5 students who work in a bookshop. If the bookshop needs 3 people to operate, how many days straight could the bookshop operate without the same group of students working twice? So for this problem, we're going to need this principle. Combinations of n objects taken r at a time. And the principle says the number of combinations of r objects taken from a group of n distinct objects is denoted by nc sub r and is given the formula nc sub r equals n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. Alright, so we know we're dealing with combinations instead of permutations because order doesn't matter. We're just looking for the different combinations of students that we can have. So, since our objects are students, and we have 5 students, that means in our situation n is equal to 5. And we're taking them 3 students at a time, since it takes 3 students to operate the bookstore. So that means that our r is equal to 3. So what we're trying to find is 5c sub 3. So let's plug in our numbers. So we have 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Alright, so if we simplify this, we're going to get 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 5 factorial, all over what we have is 2 factorial, so 2 times 1, and then 3 factorial, so 3 times 2 times 1. Alright, so we can go ahead and cancel out the 3 times 2 times 1, the top and the bottom. And what we're left with is just 5 times 4 over 2 times 1, which we know is equal to 10. So our answer there is 10 days. That's how many days the bookstore could stay open without the same group of 3 people working twice. That's also saying that there are 10 different combinations of the 3 students that could operate the bookstore.